Hello, all you Van Gogh fans out there. It's Mark at Rickshaw Bagworks in San Francisco with another up-close and personal look at our new Van Gogh pen case collection. We have 7 different works of art. Here are the 7 works on our single pen sleeve. We offer them also in the 2-pen koozie. And in this video, I'd like to show you the artwork on our 3-pen koozie. Starting with Starry Night. We have 2 different images from the painting, front and back, with our blue plush lining. Next up, sunflowers in a vase. Same image on both sides with our saffron yellow plush interior. Irises, same image both sides with our blue plush interior. Van Gogh's self-portrait in a felt hat. Same image on both sides with our dark gray plush interior. Van Gogh's self-portrait in a straw hat with our saffron yellow interior, same image on both sides. Sunset in the Willows, same image both sides with our golden yellow plush interior. And finally, The Bedroom, same image both sides with our denim blue or gray blue plush interior. So there you have it, another look at our new Van Gogh pen case collection. Thanks for watching.